See, last class we have done that plant kingdom for the NEET exam. That is the first part. We have discussed only the algae. There, Pteridophyta, Chlorophyta, and Rhodophyta. We have done all that. And next, here we have to discuss another part, the Bryophyta. See, for Bryophyte, we have to remember bryophytes. For bryophytes, you remember plasma membranes is a semi-fluid. Semi-fluid. You can remember this. Or you can remember PM. PM for Prime Minister. You write yes. Yes is what? Speech. F. What shall we answer? I'll put it. I am the fan of Prime Minister speech. You can do that. Sometime Prime Minister's speech is so funny. Right? That also you can remember. Somehow you remember this. I am a fan of Prime Minister. Like that also you can remember. Therefore, P M P M and S. Okay. Next F. P stand for polytrichum. Polytrichum. Some students their polytricium pronunciation they write polytricium. Polytrichum is the correct pronunciation. Then next what spelling? How to pronounce? Merchanta. Mercantia. Mercantia is the correct pronunciation. Therefore, Mercantia is the correct pronunciation. Okay, but spelling you have to be very, very careful. Again, what is this? Sphagnum. This is called sphagnum. Funaria. 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 You remember? Polytrichum, Mercantia, anything. Sphagnum, Funaria. This you have to remember for Bryophyta. I remember I am fan of Prime Minister's speech. Okay, that way also our plasma member is a semi-fluid. You can remember that way. Next, Pteridophyta we have to do. When we do that, lot of distraction will be there. Just remember pteridophytes. For pteridophytes, see, for remembering, pen please. You can remember pen please. See here, I'll write P, again P, L, PL, E, A, S. Right? Don't drop the word E. PP, pen please. PLEAS. E not required. P LEAS. Here, remember, see the spelling. PSILO. How to pronounce this? Plysodium? No, P is silent. P is silent. Xylotum. How to read this? Xylotum. That is P is silent. Here P is silent. And here also P, T, teres. P is silent. P is silent. There is like pseudophodia. For pseudophodia, P is silent. Here also same thing. Therefore, Celotium, teres. Next what? Lycopodium. See, lycopodium powder you have heard of, right? For this lycopodium, equiserum. Equiserum, right? See, xylotum is what? P is silent. What is this? Equisetum. Equisetum. What is this? Adiantum. Adiantum. For S only you have to be very careful. This is, you have to be careful, right? SEL, cell vaginilla. You have to practice several times. And yes, here E, here SAL, salvina. Salvina or salaginilla, right? Salaginilla or salvina. Therefore, this spelling and pronunciations are very, very important. Here also P is silent. Here teres, right? These are the things you have to remember. Please, pen. RC once in Tamil Nadu event, please Padinga they call. Padinga means you have to read. Please, Padinga they call. Padinga means read. You read like this. You have to read lot. You can remember in any format. Therefore, that is your convenient. In the examination, you have to recollect it, reproduce it properly. Next point is what I have to talk about: gymnasium. Right? Sorry, gymnosperm. See, sorry, GY, gymnosperm. Here, C, S, P, C, D, I remember. C is computer science connected to CD. Right? Computer science they will teach from CD. Or computer science P, CD. How you have to coin your own word. Same thing in when I went and taught in Tamil Nadu, one of my friend, he said, computer padichava CD shop, like that he tell. I don't know what is it. A person who studied computer science, or he is having a CD shop. Like that, something word they were coining. But I remember computer science and CD. CD is also connected to computers only. P, I don't know, you have to, because no time to think about that. As you do it, you will get it for maybe next time when you revise, we'll try to do that. Okay. Here, C is for cycas. Here what for? S is for S, K, Q, U, O, I, A. See, I have doubt about the spelling because I'm recollecting and writing. Please check the spelling. Right? I don't know whether E or A. Sequoia. Then Pinus, and Pinus, then Cedrus. That means CEDRUS. Some dress. See, something you have to remember. Cycas, Securia, UOIA. Spelling I remember, right? Pinus and Cedrus. See, now several times you sit and practice. See, now we remembered, right? PCR for algae, poly chain reaction we have done, that is called pteridophyceae, chlorophyceae, and rhabdophyceae, or radiophyte also you can write. For this is brown algae, chloro means green algae, rhido means red algae. Here what you write, self-defense you have to remember. Self-defense. Vijaya College. College is clean, or Vijaya College campus. You can write Vijaya College campus is ours, or US. Anything. Vijaya College is clean for us. Any that way. And Pogo you can remember. Then again you write it. Look, even in the chemistry, majority of the reactions, you may remember that particular day, within 2-3 days you will forget. See, all these things I try to recollect it, all that. Maybe after 2-3 days you come and ask me, I won't be remembering. But I remember only this. But while writing this spelling, I may go wrong. Look, I'm only guiding you right. But I told the method, but recollecting and reproducing in the examination is purely yours. I'm not going to write the exams. That is you going to write the exams, right? If I were a student, I can do wonders. I can remember like anything. Therefore, we are only to guiding you how to follow that. It will make you a bit easy. Then what? Bryophyta. Next what? Bryophytes. How we are done? Plasma membrane is a semi-fluid. Our Prime Minister spoken fine. That way also you can write. Or Prime Minister's speech is fine. Or I am a fan of Prime Minister. Like PMSC, you can do it. Then the spellings are very, very important. Pronounced several times. Okay. Then next, what will pteridophyta we have done? Pteridophytes we have finished. Per pen please. Right? In Tamil Nadu they call please padingo. Padingo means study, like that. When you study only, you'll remember that. Then you know how to, these are the silent, you have to PR, silent in both the places. And here they go wrong. Then next, gymnasium, right? CD shop, CDP, like. Then where is this? We have done that also. Yeah. Bryophytes, we finished. Then pteridophyte, also finished. Now finally we did gymnosperm. We finished this. Therefore, all these things fully you write in one page, the first previous CD and this CD, and then you start doing from the beginning. Please you share to your friends. That is our program, is each one teach one. If you teach to somebody else only, you will remember. Okay? Share and care for others. You have to care for others. Right? Sharing and caring is more important. That is our motto of our BHS Higher Education Society. We care for our all the students of the universe, and we want the students are the universal citizens. Okay. Also, some of the students, they started asking what is phosphorylation and oxidative phosphorylation and direct phosphorylations. These are all I am going to discuss in the next class. And photosynthesis. What are photosynthesis unit 1 and photosynthesis unit 2? They were asking. Like light harvesting system. Also that they have discussed. So we have to discuss that. And site of photosynthesis, chloroplast and all that. In the next class we will do it. And there are two types of reactions there. Light reaction and dark reactions. Some introductions. That one. And that cyclic and non-cyclic phosphorelations and Hill reactions. Some students they have asked like that. That is C4 cycle they ask. Hatch and slack pathway or plant physiology and so many things. You have to come and discuss. But what you have to do now every day till your exams, you go through this